Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Delibia again. So today I have this raw shea butter a friend gave me because mine is finished. So I want to whisk it into a cream, shea butter cream. So I'll be showing you guys in this video how I'm going to do that. So it's very small. I put it in this container and I have my coconut oil that I'll be using, some aloe vera oil and extra virgin olive oil. But first I will place I just heated this hot water in a jar. I'll pour it in a container, in a bowl, and then I'll melt the shea butter first. So I'll just leave it here. So let's get wish. I'll place it there for it to melt. And then I'll come back and continue when it's all melted. So I just finished melting the shea butter. This is how it looks now. Few tablespoons of coconut oil. I'll make do of what I have, or you can add as many oils as you want in the mixture. And now I'll just allow the coconut oil to melt. Maybe place it back in the warm water that I melted the shea butter and let it melt. And then I'll put it in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes to let it cool down. When it cool, I'll come back and show you guys how it looks, and then we'll blend it later on. So yeah, so now I have my blender in front of me, and I just removed the shea butter from the fridge. It's cold now. I didn't want it to freeze, so I'll pour it inside the blender and then I'll blend. So this is the final look of the whipped shea butter. Now it's easy to apply on my hair, and it has this thick creamy consistency, as you can see. Guys enjoyed the video. Thumbs up and do share, and also subscribe if you're new to my channel, and I'll